Kia ora, I'm Ariana. I live in Wellington, New Zealand, and I've come to Mumbai, India with IndiCure to have a double hip replacement. I've been waiting a year on the New Zealand public list just to see an orthopaedic surgeon, and in my job as a sales rep, I really need to be able to get in and out of my car every day, and it was just affecting it more and more. So I reached out to IndiCure. They came back to me with price, with options of where to stay, and they were really, really great helping me with my decision into where I was going to go. I'd also seen a stuff article for Claire Olsen, who had come to India, so that just cemented coming along and seeing the team and working with the team at IndiCure. So it was awesome, it was really great. On arriving in India, IndiCure were there to pick us up. They brought us to our hotel, we were all settled in. They picked me up for my pre-ops with the hospital, and it was just amazing to go through an ECG, CT scan, x-rays, blood, neurons testing, 4 hours talking with the surgeon. It was so efficient compared to back home. So that was really awesome, and every step of the way IndiCure were with me, taking me through all of these checks and where I needed to go. My auntie had come with me to India, and so they looked after her, got her settled into the cab, waiting for me to come through. So it was really good to be able to be looked after every step of the way. When I got to the hospital on a mission, IndiCure come pick me up, take me to the hospital, and we got settled in and operation time. So during my recovery, as a larger person, having the double hip, my first hip was fine. I was up and walking quite comfortably after day 2. But with my second hip, it took a bit more out of me, and I required 3 blood transfusions. And I was up and walking the next day, but I was very, very slow. So my recovery was a little bit slower than the average person. Having things like compression socks or compression tights will help with swelling and stuff like that. That's what I found I had. I know every person is different. Trying to do all my physio, again, it was just a little bit more painful than my first hip. So, and I had my hip surgeries 4 days apart. So it was eye-opening for me, because it was perceived that I, in my mind, would be up and walking after the second one, the same way I felt for the first one. So there's a little bit more if you're a larger person needing a double hip replacement. Just be mindful of things like your recovery, and it may take you just a little bit longer from this second hip than it was the first hip. And then that process, you still need lots of physio after you leave the hospital. You need to be walking, as much as you can, and that might only be 50 metres and then 55 metres and then 60 metres, but just walking each day definitely helps with recovery, and definitely have the compression socks or compression tights on each time, because it just helps with inflammation or swelling, more swelling in your feet and your legs. It's still highly recommend doing it, because like I say, everybody's journey is different, and on your recovery will be different to my recovery. But if you're mindful of these things, it certainly can help. One hip rehabbing was really good, a little bit chubby, so the second hip was a little bit of a problem for me, but the team at the hospital, the team at IndiCure, the surgeons, the staff, the food, absolutely amazing. Doesn't help with my weight, but absolutely amazing. And you just, every step of the way, there's always someone there, from cleaning staff, from the nurses, from the surgeons, from the physicians on the floor for IndiCure. Everyone's there, and they're looking after you and helping you in every way they can. And looking after my auntie, who bring her cakes, and I get nothing. But no, it's been an awesome time. Before going into hospital, we went and explored Mumbai. We had a driver supplied by IndiCure, and he took us around and gave us guided tour on different parts of India and the gateway of India, and it was really awesome. And it's definitely something anyone in New Zealand needing hip or knee replacements should really look into as you come here and get the service that we don't quite have in New Zealand. Don't get me wrong, the nurses in New Zealand are great, hospitals are great, it's just the system, that waiting time. I waited 12 months with IndiCure, I was here within 2 weeks. And celebrating Christmas in India, very different from being away from family, but it was great. There's lots of Christmas around here. There's a lot of Christians, so there were Christmas trees up and everything. We got little cakes from IndiCure for Christmas. We had little presents. So we watched the fireworks out the window on New Year's Eve. We had things that we could do, so I would highly, highly recommend it. So for me, having waiting on the New Zealand list, it's been 18 months of pain. It was getting harder and harder for me to do basic everyday stuff. I'd have good days, I'd have very bad days of not being able to walk, to trying to get in and out of my car for my job, and really struggling to get in and out of my car, to go around and see my customers. My customers have been great throughout my year of pain and really accommodated and helped me out. My job's been great, they've helped me as well. But definitely the relief that you get after having an operation is amazing. It's just so painless, I should say. It just takes that pain away, it's amazing. The food at the hospital, the people from IndiCure, from the hospital, from the surgeons, from your physios, everybody's there trying to help you rehab through. It's just an amazing service. Second to none.